Hi everyone, welcome to Undoubtme. So in this video we are going to find area of red square. As you can see in the figure, we have two circles, both radius 10 centimeter, and we need to find area of that red square. We need to use some construction and let us see how can we do it. So first thing what I'll do is I'll just draw a line like this, and because it is all symmetric figure, so even this is also 10, and then if I extend this line, let's say if I take this line along the diagonal, then this will be root 2 times x. X is side of a square. Okay, just focus on the figure carefully. Then if I just put a line over here, this is a radius again, and this will also be perpendicular because the black line is acting as a tangent. So by this we will get one more side of a triangle. Now what I do next is I'll just draw a line over here and which will pierce the square into two parts. So basically if I just look in the figure, then this much portion is 10 and the remaining is x over 2. Okay, remember that the side of this square was assumed to be x and the diagonal was root 2x. Okay, so in all now I have a triangle. Okay, I'll just label it. This is 0, O, A and B. Okay, so O, A, B. In this triangle, the hypotenuse will be 10 plus the diagonal. So that will be 10 plus root 2x. The side OA will be 10 and side AB will be 10 plus x over 2. 10 plus x over 2 can also be written as 20 plus x over 2. This will be easy to solve from here. Now we are almost done with everything. We just need to use Pythagoras theorem to get x value. Once we get x value, we can square it up to get the area. So let us use Pythagoras theorem. So 10 plus root 2x whole square is equal to 10 square plus 20 plus x over 2 whole square. Now just remember that we need area and area is equal to x square. So I can also directly try to find x square value. Okay, if possible, we'll do that. So let us expand it. It will be 100 plus root 2x whole square will be 2x squared. Then the next term is 2 times a times b. Okay, I'm just expanding it using the formula. You can do it in any way you want. So I'm using the formula a plus b whole square. As per that, it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will be 2 times 10, 20 root 2x. On the other side, I have 100 and then 20 square is 400 plus x squared plus 40x over 4. Now it is visible that 100 on both sides can be cancelled. Once we do that, we are left with, I'll just write that on the next slide. So we are left with 2x squared plus 20 root x is equal to, on the other side we have 400 plus x squared plus 40x, 400 plus x squared plus 40x over 4. 4 is multiplied on both sides. That will give me 8x squared plus 80 root 2. This will be x. So 80 root 2x and then 400 plus x squared plus 40x. Okay, as I was expecting, we could have got x squared directly, but it is not possible. So we'll just convert it into a quadratic. So 7x squared plus 80 root 2 minus 40x minus 400 is equal to 0. Rest of the work will be done using calculator. So we can just get few values like 80 root 2 minus 40. So 80 times root 2 minus 40 is 73.137. I'm taking more decimal places so that I can get more precise answer. And now for this, either I can use calculator to solve this or I can graph it up to get x value. So putting it in the calculator will give me 7x squared plus 73.137x minus 400, and that will give me x is equal to 3.965 or x is equal to minus 14.413. X is a side, so it can't be negative, so let us reject this value. We are moving forward with x is equal to 3.965, and we just need to square that value. On squaring 3.965, I will get 15.72. So the required area will be 15.7 up to 3 sig figs. Okay, so I hope that the method what I have discussed over here is clear. Plus, you can one more time see that this was a question in which we were trying to find red triangle, red square, and all we were supposed to do is to create that triangle by considering the diagonal of a square that was root 2x, and then here it will be half of the side. So we are just using symmetry of this figure and we are getting it done.